How to turn on beta update iPhone iOS 26 100% for free. In this video guys, I will guide you through the processes on how to enable iOS 26 beta update for free on your device. Go to your Safari and type in this keyword developer.apple.com. Once you tap on it, it comes up like this. Then once you are at this place, tap on these two line at top of the screen here. Doing so brings to this interface. Go ahead and tap on this account button. Once you tap on the account, it comes up like this, guys. Log into this platform using your Apple or iCloud account, using your ID, your login detail account. Once you log into that place, it comes up like this now. Tap on this arrow button. Join the Apple developer program. So you need back and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll up a bit, tap on general. Now tap on software updates. Now here you should see this beta update. Tap on it. Then you should be able to see the update here. Being able to apply for Apple iOS 26 beta update successfully. If you get this tip and if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.